Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. Today we're testing out Wayne Goss's new eye-opening technique. Make your small eyes bigger or something like that. Stay tuned. Okay, don't mind me. I'm just getting ready this morning and I was like, hey, I'm gonna try Wayne Goss's technique that he came out with last week. Make your small eyes big, okay? But I don't have like the ultra blackest black powder imaginable. And when I tried it with my powdery gray black, it just like smudged down and totally like tight lined my under eye. And push and wiggle like he said. Whoa, oh, ouch. Whoa. What the hell just happened? So we're going to try a different technique. We are going to try Limelights. Of course we're going to use lime. We're going to try Limelights eyeliner, perfect eyeliner. It is almost a near perfect black. You do have to do like a couple coats to get it black, but I have amazing control with this, so I can totally get it up under my eye just like Wayne Goss says to do with eyeshadow. So let's try it.
I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna whistle all the while. If that's what it takes to make me smile, I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up this hill, summer sky or winter chill. If I gotta take a break, I will, but I'm gonna run right up this hill. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open
Let's see what it's looking like.
and maybe I'm just a little girl
I don't know.
with a great big plan.
What do you think? Does it open and brighten my eye anymore?
I'm gonna go and take a
Let's do a little bit more. Let's get it way up into the lash line like
dance, learn a little something about romance. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna live a crazy dream, impossible as it may seem. Doesn't matter what the future brings, I'm gonna live a crazy dream. And I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little...
Alright, how does that work for a eye-opening technique? Let's see. Did it make it bigger? I don't know. I'm going to put mascara on and be right back. Alright, I don't know that it worked. Definitely my eye is more defined. Does it look bigger? I think not. Okay, editing Mel here. Sometimes when you're making videos, you can't see. Until you watch the video, you can't see the difference. And yes, that eye is small and it made it look a lot bigger. I couldn't tell looking in the mirror, but watching this video, it is a definite difference and it was definitely worth it. So great technique. Alright, so that's my take on Wayne Goss's eye-opening technique using a Limelight eyeliner instead, because way easier to control and no fallout. So that's my take. Thanks for watching. Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. See ya.